I welcome you all to my channel. And if you know you're just joining us, it's you're welcome to the live channel of Photon CFR. Any moment from now, you would be seeing my face, and our classes will go on. So we're just waiting for the number of followers to increase to 10. That is the number of participants in this live video. I put in a lot to make sure I bring this to you without disappointment. So if you know you're just joining this live video, I want you to place a comment below. I want you to start putting comments. Please comment on the live video with your name and where you are from. Comment on the live video. Yes, I can see Light Mba. Hello, Light. I can also see, please drop your messages as you're coming in, your name and your lecture house. Your name and your lecture house. Don't worry. Said why? I'm with you. I'm with you. You know, I can't use the front camera because according to the principle of light waves, there is what we call the lateral inversion. So if I face the front camera to the board, what you are seeing on the board is going to be starting from the end. So Omori, you're welcome from Cambridge, Collins, or Caleb. Caleb, you're welcome. We are number 6 now. We're still going. We're still waiting for others to join us. I don't want a situation where we have lateral inversion. Kelvin, you're welcome from Cambridge Tutorials. Victory, you're also welcome from Cambridge Tutorials. We have, who else? We have Joyce from Cambridge Tutorials. Cambridge Tutorials seem to be the majority of those joining our live today. We have about 6 persons from Cambridge Tutorials already, and just 1 person from Starbrains. Once the number get to 10, we start up the class. I don't really have battery, so I'm going to do the best. Okay, said, sir, I posted your link on the group's chat so people would come in online. We are waiting for them. We're waiting for them. Please inform your friends that the live video has commenced. I had to take a lot of sacrifice to be here today. So inform every one of them because we will not be going back. Kelvin from Cambridge, I can see it. Thank you very much. Number 8 now, we have 8 participants. Please, as you are liking this video, I want you to start, as you are watching this video, I want you to start liking the video immediately. Start hitting, thank you, Caleb. You also posted in Starbrains. Thank you. Please start pressing the like button. We have just 3 persons pressing the like button. I want every participant in this live chat, click the like button, and if you see a place where you have the share button, click the share button also. Odiase Caleb and Kelvin, I must appreciate. Okay, we're at number 9 now. Please keep informing them that the live video has commenced and Photon is about to get down to business. I don't have much battery, so I'm not going to be wasting a lot of time. So please, number 1, please, for those of you who are with us now, can you hear my voice clearly before I start? I want you to confirm it. Can you hear my voice clearly before I start? Gift from Solid, you are welcome. Please, as you're joining the live video, I want to see your name. Can you hear my voice? My voice, can you hear my voice? Please, if you can hear my voice, send in a comment. I need to see that. If you can hear my voice, send in a comment. Okay. Thank you, Caleb. So that means we are good to go. Ken from Cambridge, you are also welcome. Gift Etinosa, Cambridge, you are welcome. 9 students from Cambridge, just 1 person from Starbrain. Solid lecture, where are you? Solid lectures, where are you? Cambridge seems to be ruling. The moment I get in front of this board, I'm not going back. Zion Deborah. Is it the Deborah I know from Solid? Please, as you're writing your name, I want you to also write your lecture so I know where you're coming from. Thank you so much, Gabriel Henry. I can hear your sweet voice. Stay clear away from me, oh. I cover my body with the blood. Just joking there. You know, education is meant to be fun. You understand? So please, those of you who just joined the channel, the live video, I want you to click the like button. We have just 5 persons who have clicked the like button. It's not encouraging. Matthias from Cambridge, you're welcome. Please start clicking the like button. We have just 5 persons who have liked this video. If I don't get up to 10 likes, I am not starting the video. If I don't get up to 10 likes, I am not starting the video. Praise Wisdom from Solid, you are welcome. Our Solid men are beginning to join us. 17 participants already. You're all welcome. We have 6 likes. Like the video, like the video. Please, for those of you who have liked the video, you can tell them how you did that so that they can also follow suit and also learn to share the live video. Inform everybody, I am about to start now. The moment the like button hits 10, I will be in front of this camera. I'm at the back, I'm seeing all your comments. The moment I go in front of the camera, I will not be seeing your comments anymore. I can't use the front camera like I told you. In physics, there's what we call the lateral inversion. So once I do, instead of seeing motion, you will start seeing nyomt which is a very funny thing due to lateral inversion. So we're going to be using the back camera for this video. We have 10 likes, yes, and 15 participants at this point. I think we are good to go. I think we are good to go at this point. I think we are good to go. Yes, good evening, everyone. I'm happy to, have all of you present in this class. Even though I can't see your comments, I believe you should be able to see me clearly. And like I told you, we're going to be having a class today. But unfortunately, I was so busy, so I couldn't. So we have just limited battery, but I think it's good enough to do 1 or 2 things. So I believe we are ready. I'm going to be going behind the camera now to check. If we are ready, I just want you to type "we are ready" and we start up immediately. I'll be going behind the camera to check. If we are ready, just click "we are ready." If we are ready, just click "we are ready," and I will be starting up. I am still waiting. Just click "we are ready," and I will be starting. Yes, I think you are ready and good to go. Okay. Very fast. This is not going to be like the regular class you used to know. This is going to be a different class entirely, okay? So I want to confirm something, please. The way the camera is stationed, can you see me on the board? If you can see me on the board, type "yes, we can see you." Watch closely. Can you see Photon on the board? If you can, just type "yes, we can see you." So I'll be going behind to confirm that before I start. If you can see me clearly, just write "yes, we can see you." Okay, thank you. We have about 22 persons and 13 likes. Please, as you are joining, like this video and share this video. Today we are going to be looking at equations of motion. And like I've always told you, it is better to know where a formula is coming from. It enhances your knowledge, okay? So, there are 3 basic equations of motion according to Sir Isaac Newton. Let's remove the maker aspect. You know me. Okay, so he said that these 3 equations of motion is what propels the motion of a body or an object. Now, I am going to be placing this formula on the board. The A you can see here is called acceleration. From the definition of acceleration, it is called the change in velocity over time. I hope you have your pen and your pad with you to write. Acceleration is called the change in velocity over time. The v here is called the final velocity, while the u is called the initial velocity. Now, according to mathematics principle, I can choose to cross multiply. If I do that, the acceleration will multiply the time. So a multiplied t will give us at, and it will be equals to v minus u. And according to the principle of commutativity, if a is equals to b, it therefore means that b is also equals to what? A. So v minus u is equals to at. Remember I told you that the v is called the final velocity, while the u is called the initial velocity. Now, I am going to make v the subject of the formula by taking negative u to the other side. If I move my negative u to the other side, it becomes positive. So my v will now be equals to positive u plus at. And that was how the first equation of motion was founded. You can see how easy it is. Knowledge is not power, but the application of knowledge is what gives us power. Now that we've gotten the first equation of motion, there are other equations of motion I want you to know. And before that, I would like to introduce you to AVG. AVG is called the average. Okay, we have average velocity, we have average distance. But this time around, we are going to be looking at AVG of velocity. That stands for average velocity. The formula for average velocity is the initial velocity plus the final velocity divided by 2. Okay? The initial velocity, the final velocity divided by 2. Sorry please, not average velocity. Average distance. Average distance or displacement, okay? Average distance. Okay? So, average velocity is u plus v over 2. But average distance is u plus v over 2 multiplied by t. Now you might be asking, Sir Photon, where did you get this formula from? If you remember class, I'm going to be stating something here. Velocity is equals to change in displacement over time. If I cross multiply, velocity will multiply time. What will it be equals to? Displacement. So S is equals to Vt. And you know displacement and distance are the same thing. The only difference is that one has a direction, the other does not. That was how we did this. So your average distance is your S, while your V is your U plus V divided by 2. Then multiply by your what? Time. I hope you are seeing what we are doing. Now, many argue that this formula is part of the equations of motion. Well, it is, but it is not generally recognized as an equation of motion. So I'm going to proceed from here, class, by doing this. If you go back to equation 1, recall, from equation 1, we were told that velocity is equals to u plus at. And I have a particular time here called t. So I am going to make t the subject of my formula. How do I do this? I will take my initial velocity to the other side. It was positive here. The moment it gets here, what does it become? Negative. So v minus u will now be equals to what? At. Remember, I'm looking for t. So I am going to divide both sides by the acceleration. If a cancels a, we are left with what? T. So the formula for time is v minus u over a. Now that I've been able to do this successfully, I will come back to this equation. In fact, let's call it equation 2. It deserves all the credit. And I'm going to substitute the formula for time into this equation. S will now be equals to, remember S is my average distance. U plus V can also be written as V plus U. Divided by what? 2. Then you close it in a bracket. multiplied by the time, which we just got here. So I'm going to open another bracket. In place of time, I would say V minus U divided by A. Then I will close my bracket. So having done this, please spare me a minute. Let me get my duster. A minute. Thank you. The reason why I said you must have your pen and paper, because I am going to be taking some things out as we proceed. Remember, we have limited time before my mobile phone goes off. So now that I've done this class, it is time for us to expand. How do we expand? You might have remembered that this expansion looks like a principle in mathematics. Before I get to that principle, what do I have on my left-hand side? I have an S equals to, this is a denominator 2, this is a denominator A. 2 times A will give us 2A. So at my numerator, I have a V plus U multiplied by what? V minus U, all divided by 2 times A. That gives us what? 2A. And I have the right to cross multiply. If S multiply 2A, I will get 2AS. And it will be equal to the multiples of this. So 2AS will be equals to V plus U multiplied by V minus U. And if you recall, according to the law of commutativity, they can be interchanged. So V plus U multiplied by V minus U will be equals to 2A what? S. Now, in maths, you'll be told to expand this, but I don't usually support it. I would be smarter with this. There is something called difference of two squares. For those of you who have knowledge of how to expand, you can do that. But I'm going to be applying the difference of two squares. According to difference of two squares, states that A plus B multiplied by A minus B is equals to A squared minus B squared. And if I compare it to this, my A becomes my V, plus to plus, B to U, A to V, minus to minus, B to U. So all I need to do is to write my answer. In place of A, I will place V. In place of B, I will place U. So A squared minus B squared will now become V squared minus U squared. Equals to, what do we have on the right hand side? 2AS. In order to make this velocity the subject, I am going to take the initial velocity to the other side. It was negative with its partner, but after divorce, it became positive. So we move this guy to the other side. V squared will now be equals to U squared plus 2AS. And that is called my equation 3. I believe now many of you know how this formula was gotten. Simple, clear, and understandable. I'll give you a few seconds to write this before we continue. So please, if you are still with us, thanks for the likes and thanks for the comments. Thanks for the likes and thanks for the comments. If you are still with us, please comment, I am still here. If you are still with us, just comment, I am still here. If you are still with us, comment, I am still here. Okay, I believe some of you are writing. And it gives me great joy having the opportunity to break these things down to you. Oh, you can't see the board clearly. Oh, I'm sorry about that. Okay. You can't see what is written on the board. Wow. Why is that? But I can see it clearly here. The board is not clear enough. Are you serious? Okay, how about now? Is the board clear now? Is the board clear enough? It's blurry. Wow. This is the first time I'm getting this comment. The board is blurry. From my side, it is very sharp. I really do not know why it is blurry here. Well, maybe because of the reflections. You know, sometimes when the surface is not smooth, there's what we call scattered or diffuse reflection, according to principle of light. So I think it's YouTube. Oh, thank you. It's blurry. Change your resolution. Well, YouTube is not giving me that opportunity to change the resolution. I've been trying and trying and trying. Okay. How about now, class? Is it better now? Is it better now, please? I need you to... Okay, YouTube. Thank you. YouTube is the problem. Oh, change the resolution. Okay, what if I place it like this? Can you see it properly? Can you see it properly this way? Is it better this way? Oh my God. Wow. It's still blurry. What do we do? I need to write to YouTube. They are not giving me the opportunity. How about this? How about this? Is it better this way? Is it better this way? Some persons are saying it's clear now. Some are saying it's not clear. I should take it back. I should take it back. Okay, let's see if that will work. Is it this way? No, it can't be my phone camera. I've been using this. This is a Samsung mobile device. It has the best camera you can ever imagine. It is better. Oh, it's better this way. Oh, we bless God. Okay, so give me a moment. Give me a moment to set the camera. Okay, I want it to be covered by everyone. Is it better now? I've touched the screen once. Please confirm if it's better now. It's too far. Oh my God. Double work for me. Please, for those who are not seeing it clearly, go to your YouTube resolution and change it. You know, some of you are using low YouTube resolution. That's why you are not seeing it clearly. I just got a message from somebody in Canada. He can see it very clear. I got another message from someone in Brazil. He can see it very clear. So I think it's the resolution you are. You know, we Nigerians, we are very, very conservative with our money. Okay, how about now, class? Is it better now? How about now, class? I can see it properly here. I really don't know why you can't see it. Your resolution, please go and check your phone resolution. Please, if you can see what is on the board, please write out. Open the live, that way you will see it. Okay, I should leave it like this and continue. Please, Victor has suggested you guys check the quality of your video because mine is very clear. I have people sending me messages from Canada, from Brazil, and they can see it clearly. Okay, so I really don't know why we Nigerians are having this difficulty. I hope it's better now. Okay. Please do not forget to like as you're seeing it. Do not forget to like. Do not forget to like. Can I continue now, class? Can I continue? I'm waiting for your go ahead. Can I continue? Please like the video. We have 25 persons in this channel for now, and just 22 likes. Please click like this video. Like this video so that it can reach a wider audience. We have 28 persons now, just 22 likes. Class, can I continue? Okay, thank you very much. I've been given the go ahead to continue. So I've actually given you equation 3, and I'm going to be adding one more to give you equation 4. So we are going to take this away. Remember, you must be with your biro and your pad to get what we are doing here better. It is better you use your data for education than laugh on TikTok, because your time is ticking and talking before the exam comes. TikTok, failure they come, okay? I'm trying to use English language because we have people across the world watching this video. If it were to be in Nigeria, I know what to do. Some of you would have laughed your life away, point speed on your phone by now. So please, I want you to look at this and see if I can continue. I should not be too fast. Okay, I'm trying to be slow. I'm trying my best. It's not easy. Okay? Please hit the like button, please. Hit the like button. This is what we encourage YouTube to place it on their page. Hit the like button, please. Hit the like button. Like this video. Like this video. You will see a thumbs up. This is like a thumbs up. Okay? So when you hit this, it will reflect. Okay, so finally, let's go to the last formula. Now, I want you to recall again. Recall. The second equation I gave to you stated that S is equals to U plus V divided by 2 multiplied by T. If you can remember this carefully. Now, this was our equation 2. I want you to go back to the first equation. It states that V was equals to U plus AT. This was our equation 1. Now I am going to substitute equation 1 into equation 2. Substitute equation 1 into equation 2. That means that anytime I see V, I am going to replace it with U plus AT. Hence, S will now be equals to, this U will still remain. We have a plus. In place of V, I am going to place equation 1. And what is the formula? U plus AT. Everything is divided by 2. You close the bracket. Multiplied by T outside, which is our what? Time. So permit me to take this off. We are making progress, as this is going to be the last equation. And if the battery of my phone permits, we'll solve the latest JAM question. And we know that there is hope for us. Now let's proceed. S will now be equals to, open your brackets, U plus U will give us 2U, plus, we have here as what? 80, divided by, we have here as what? 2, multiplied by the time outside. I'm trying to take it slow so you can understand. S will now be equals to, remember class, if I say A plus B divided by C, it is the same thing as A over C plus B over C. That means 2U plus 80 divided by 2 is the same thing as 2U over 2 plus 80 over 2. Do not forget there is a time outside. S will now be equals to, The 2, we cancel this 2, leaving us with u plus at divided by 2. At divided by 2, closing the bracket. And outside we have what? T. Having done this, we can now proceed to open the bra, like I usually use in my class. I prefer calling brackets the bra. It is easier to remember the bra than the brackets. So at this point, x will now be equals to the t, we multiply the u. U times t will give us ut. Then we have a plus, put your plus. At over 2 multiplied by t. T times t will give us t squared. So I will be having at squared divided by 2. Invariably, s will now be equals to ut plus, there is a spiritual one here, and there is a 2 here, making it half. Then what do we have? At squared. And at this point, I am sure many of you have seen this formula before. Now you know how they got that formula. So by yourself, you can prove all these formulas without the help of anybody. Now, we'll do a quick review. What are the 3 basic formulas? V equals U plus AT. Second one, we said V squared equals U squared plus 2AS. And what was the last one? X equals UT plus half AT squared. Then I gave you a bonus. S equals U plus V divided by 2 multiplied by T. Now these are the basic formulas for equations of motion. And I'm happy we're able to cover this. Let's see if time will permit us to take 1 or 2 questions. If you are still with us, you can signify if you are still with us. I'm about to clean the board. We take 1 question and we have to end this live video. But I'll try as much as possible to continue tomorrow. So please, if you are with us, I want you to comment, I am still here. And while you are doing that, please hit the like button. Hit the like button. My battery is almost down. If you are still with us, please, oh, thank you. Thank you. I'm still here. Saint, you are welcome. Ruben, Victory. We have Samsung Eddie. We have Kelvin. We have Per, you're welcome. From Starbrains, Caleb has been with us from the beginning. Kelvin has also been with us from the beginning. So we are going to take 1 basic question. Please do not play with this question as it was asked just last year. Just last year, they asked this question. Okay? Hit the like button. The button is the thumbs up you see in your hand. I have just 3% left. Let's see how far it will take us. So, we quickly look at this question and we hope Mother Nature be fair on us. We just hope Mother Nature be fair on us. Now, let's quickly take this question. It says, it was a UTME question which also came out in WAEC exams of 2022. A car traveling at 90 kilometers per hour accelerates uniformly. Accelerates uniformly at 2 meters per second square Calculate the velocity after 30 seconds. Calculate the velocity after 30 seconds. I hope you've written the question. If you are writing the question, please signify. Yes, I should have charged it, but I am not using a tripod stand. My tripod stand, I gave it out and the person refused to borrow it. So where I am putting this phone, it's quite difficult to charge. So let me see what I can do. Let me see what I can do so that we don't get shortchanged. Because I have a feeling that this question might repeat itself. I just hope. Class, please, can I place this phone like this, please? This is the only way I can charge it. Can I place this phone like this? Yes, Zion Deborah, it is from photonic physics. Can I place this phone like this? If it's like this, I can charge it. Can I place this phone like this? Please, I want to know if you can still see the board. Oh. I can't leave it this way. Oh, God. Please confirm if you can still see the question. I changed the position of the phone. Confirm if you can still see the board. Oh, beautiful. Can I continue this way? Okay. Change your resolution from 240 pixel to 480 pixel. Ah, oh, beautiful, beautiful. It seems God is with us today. And nothing will stop us. Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much. So, we are back. We are back. This is how your typical JAMB question is going to come out. You know, I can only imagine and pity those who are not with us today. It's painful, but the sacrifices you are making will turn out to success for you by your maker. You all will become successful academically. If you believe in that, type an amen if you believe in that. Israel Cruz, you are welcome. Gift Etinosa and Zion Deborah. I see it seems that, okay. Thank you, Samsung. He has typed the questions for you. Light Umba. Oh, it is even clearer. Thank you very much. Samsung just typed the question for you. It is from the photonic physics, so you can use the question on it. For those of you who cannot see it on the board, Samsung has typed the question. Samsung has typed the question. Please use the question typed by Samsung. It's the same question on the board. Now, can I go ahead and solve the question on the board? Oh, victory. Okay, victory, not Samsung. Victory. Thank you. Victory, you are from which lecture? Grace said no. Saint said yes. Okay, can I go ahead and solve? Israel said yes. I want this class to be very interactive. He didn't add the square. Okay, you can add it for him. Meter per second square. Uniformly at 2 meters per second square. Oh, Victory, you're from Cambridge. Okay, you're welcome. You're welcome. Thank you so much for all you're doing. Grace, thank you. So guys, can I go ahead and solve? Can I go ahead and, oh, thank you. Thank you. So at this point, we are going to be solving this question. And for those of you who know photon, I usually start with the word antidote. Now, the best way to get the solution in physics is to write out your parameters. What are your parameters? Your parameters are the information given in the question. Now, if you read through this question, a car was traveling at 90 kilometers per hour, meaning there was a distance and there was a time. When there is a distance and a time, velocity is involved. It simply means that the first information given was what? V. And what was the value of V? V was 90 kilometers per hour. And there's a little challenge here. The basic unit for velocity is meter per second and not kilometer per hour. So we need to convert kilometer per hour to meter per second. I was at Cambridge lecture today and I gave you a shortcut whenever you want to convert kilometer per hour to meter per second. So those of you who are with us in this channel, this is the shortcut. Velocity will become, the value you have is what? 90. Simply multiply it by 5/18. Once you do this, you will get the equivalent value. Multiply it by 5/18. Now, once we do this, we are going to get 18 can go in 90. If I'm not mistaken, it can go in 90 5 times. So 18 we divide 18 to give us 1. And 18 we divide 90 to give us 5. 5 times 5 will give us 25. The unit will no longer be kilometer per hour, but what? Meter per seconds. Secondly, they said that it accelerated uniformly at 2 meters per second square, meaning the next information given was the acceleration. And acceleration is represented by A. So the value of A is 2 meters per second square. After giving the acceleration, we're told to calculate the velocity after 30 seconds. That tells you, class, that there are 2 velocities. The initial velocity and the final velocity. So if you are asked to find the velocity after, it simply means that we are looking for the final velocity. That means that the V that we wrote initially will now be changed to U. Mind you, the 2 of them are velocities, but one is the initial, the second is what? Final. So I am looking for the final velocity. After how many seconds? 30 seconds. It simply means that the value of t is equal to 30 seconds. Now that I've been able to do this successfully, I would ask myself, which formula am I going to apply amongst the 4 formulas I gave to you that will give me the answer to this question? Now, this is how you think about formulas. Remember, I told you something. Using your parameters will guide you the proper way. Now, watch. You were given U. You were given A. You were given T. And you were asked to find V. The only common formula to apply here is the first equation I gave to you. That states V equals U plus AT. And we are looking for what? V. It simply means that V will become, the value of U is what? 25 and not 90. Please don't make that mistake. 25 plus, the value of A is what? 2. Multiplied by, the value of T is what? 30. So your velocity, which is the final, will become 25 plus 2 times 30 will give us 60. And my final answer will become 25 plus 60. And that will give us 85. The unit for velocity is meter per seconds. And that becomes my final answer. And if you look at this answer, it is logical. From 25 to 85. That tells you that there was an increase in the velocity after 30 seconds. I hope you just understood what we did here. I hope I was able to break this down for you. If you have any question, please put it on the comment section right now. Type your question on the comment section. You have just 30 seconds to do that. We'll take one more question and we'll see what life holds for us. So go ahead and dilute this. We have people joining and we have people leaving. It's not really easy. I have my AC and my fan. I can't even turn on anyone. I'm sweating. Okay, please permit me to at least drink water so that I can get myself. You are just coming, DJ Emoji. Please, your name and the lecture you're coming from, please. I had to take a water break. You know, I told you the only thing I survive on is water. To solve again? That would really not be easy. We don't really have time. We don't have time. Please, you are not hitting the like buttons. You are not hitting the like buttons. Please hit the like buttons, please. And please try to promote this page. If you are benefiting from something, it's only fair you share it with others. You are not paying for this. It's free of charge. I'm supposed to be resting, but I'm taking my time out to teach you. The best you could do is to promote. Bring subscribers to this page. That is all I ask of you. Let's do one more example. Sure. I will give you one more example. Samuel from Cambridge, you're welcome. I'll give you one more example. I already have my power bank plugged to the device, so I would give you one more example to solve. So I think this next question we are about to go into will help us better. This is a pure wire questions with two parts. So please, you can snap this, you can cut it out. It's very easy to understand. So before I write the next question, I need to confirm. Do I go ahead and write the next question? If you want me to go ahead and write the next question, you signify. This is what data is supposed to be used for. Education. Benefiting academically. Caleb, I still see you. Thank you, Kelvin. Do I go over to the next question or do we just end the class at this point? Do I go to the next question or do we end the class? Emoji, anyone is fine. Light and bar, go ahead. Victory, yeah. Saints, go ahead. When I'm not a pity person, you want to keep photon. Let me see if I can on my standing fan before heats go kill me for here. Aha. I got my phone almost damaged just now. My phone was almost damaged just now. It fell off and the screen was almost broken due to the fan I switched on. You see what we go through. just for you guys. So it's well. I've been able to restore it. Just give me a few moments to restore it, okay? Give me a few moments, please. Few moments to restore it. I think it's in a black and white mode now. I almost got my phone damaged. So it was almost damaged just now. Okay, don't worry, we'll get back to how it was. Okay, I think we're back. Please, someone confirm if it's the way it was before. The folly made it clearer. You are very wicked, Victor. She said the folly, my phone folly made it clearer. That's a very wicked comment from Victory. So you are part of the crew who are praying for my phone to fall. You finally succeeded. Okay, please. I want you all to... Please, let me see your comments. Can I continue? Is it clearer? Can we go on to the next question? Okay, black and white. The black and white mode, is it better? Do we do the black and white or the colored? Black and white or colored? Okay, it's great this way. Okay, okay. Closer. Do we make it closer? Samad from Cambridge, you're welcome. Zoom. Can you see it now? The former filter. I think this is better. Is it clear this way? Okay, I know what I will do. Just give me a few moments. Give me a few moments. It's all for the best. We want to ensure you get what you're learning. So any length to get that, we have to follow it. Okay, class, I want you to look at this and tell me how it is. Oh gosh, I can't really zoom this. I think this would be better. So do I go back to the black and white? Is this better? The devil is a liar. We will fulfill our destiny. Nothing will stop this class. It's damaging my power bank. My power bank has been damaged, but I'm not stopping. The person who took our tripod stand refused to return it, and now I'm suffering for it. I had to be creative to be able to get this. Okay, let me see how this will turn out. I think this is the best I can do. How did I get 5/18? It's a constant. You use it whenever you want to convert. Do I take it to the colored? Okay. Do you prefer this? Please comment if you prefer this. I'm not seeing your comment. Comment in the next question. Victory said 5/18 a cheat code. Okay, so let's proceed to the next question. And this question will sum up the night. Okay? So please just write this question with me. So I give you a few seconds to write down the question. Few seconds. Victory, your prayer will not work. My phone will not fall again. We cast and bind you. So according to the question, a car will reach a velocity of 45 meters per second in 10 seconds. Calculate the acceleration of the car and the distance covered in that time. I repeat, a car traveling at 15 meters per second suddenly accelerates to reach a velocity of 45 meters per second in 10 seconds. Calculate the acceleration of the car and the distance covered in that time. So we are definitely solving two questions. Two questions. Can I go ahead and solve? Or do we still hold on? If you want me to go ahead, just write solve, sir. Please, you are not hitting the like button. You are not hitting the like button. We need to let the world know that Cambridge, Solid, and other lectures are here. We need to let the world know that Nigerians are the best when it comes to academics. And I can't do this alone. I need your support. Okay? I need your support. Please encourage more people to subscribe to this channel. We are just in 5 something. We are supposed to get to 1,000 subscribers. We have not gotten there yet. Encourage people to subscribe to this channel. We are going to be giving ourselves some various tasks. Each person should have number of subscribers you bring. It's high time we start pushing forward. We need to get there. So please, place this. Solve. Okay. Now let's solve the question together. Now, a car. Remember, your antidote is your secret weapon. The same trick we used for the previous question. Always ensure you use your parameters. And what are parameters? Information given in the question. A car was traveling at 15 meters per second. What does that tell us? It tells us that the velocity of that car was 15. Now, if you look closely at this question, you will notice there were two velocities. One was 15, one was 45. They both share the same unit. Suddenly, accelerate means it increased its acceleration. Hence, velocity must also increase. That tells me that the smaller value is the initial velocity, and the larger value is the final velocity. So my u, which is initial, is 15 meters per second, and my v, which is final, is 45 meters per second. Now, we move on. It reached a velocity of 45, which we just wrote, in 10 seconds. Seconds is the unit for what? Time. That's your t. Was given as 10 seconds. Now, these were the only 3 information they gave to us. We're now told to find the acceleration of the car. That was A. Remember, class, velocity is equals to u plus at. The parameter tells us that this is what to use. Why am I using this? I am looking for my acceleration. Hence, I am going to make acceleration the subject of the formula. Meaning, u will come this way. It was positive. It will now become negative. So v minus u will become 80. And I'm looking for a. So I will divide here by t, divide here by t. The moment t cancels t, I am left with a. So what is the formula for finding the acceleration? V minus u over t. And what is the value for v? 45. What is the value for u? 15. So that becomes 45 minus 15 over t. And what is the value for t? 10. 45 minus 15 will give us 30 divided by 10. Finally, class, my final answer will become 30 divided by 10 will give me 3 meters per second square. So my acceleration is 3 meters per second square. If they give you this on the day of your jam, they will tell you this one is question 21, while this one is question 22. You have already gotten 2 marks for question 21. Now let's get the second 2 mark for question 22. I give you just 30 seconds to write out this solution before we find the B. Please write it out very fast. Thank you, Zion, Deborah, for typing the question. Salome, you're welcome. Orukpe David, you're welcome. Please hit the like button. Please hit the like button. If you appreciate what Photon is doing, hit the like button. You're not doing that. Hit the like button. I had to write the 3 meter per second square because the one below was not showing clearly. Okay? This here is 3 meter per second square, but it wasn't too clear, so I had to put it here. Okay? So do not mix up the two of them. I know it's not easy learning online. The amount of data being consumed while the process is going on. But you know, no pain, no gain. You must sacrifice in order to enjoy. This is your sacrificial stage. Enjoyment stage is coming. By the time you start blasting 340, 350, people start envying you. You will now appreciate the input you placed. Envy no one. Put in your best. Work hard. Reap the fruit of your labor. Then you can go and flex. I will continue to be here to help you out. And now, for those of you who have been trying to reach out to me, I'm going to be giving you my number. Please, I'm not giving you this number to go and share to the world. No. I'm giving you this number for yourself. This is my major number, which is my primary number, and also my WhatsApp number. 070 33 44 7036. 070 33 44 7036. If you have any question, send it to me on WhatsApp, and I'll be online by the special grace of the great grand architect of the universe to help you out with your answers. In our next class, I'll be giving you my Facebook ID. And the other one, I'll give you my Instagram. Then I'll also give you my TikTok. For now, this is my WhatsApp number. So save it. Now, let's quickly get B. We're told to find the distance covered. And distance is represented by letter what? S. There are two formulas that can be used. But I tell you, the best formula to use is not the one that has average, but this. V squared equals U squared plus 2AS. Why am I using this formula? I know my V and my U. I know my A. I can get my S. So I am going to make S the subject of the formula. How do I do that? I take U squared to the other side, it becomes minus. So V squared minus U squared is equals to 2AS. Then how do I make S stand alone? 2A must go. So I divide there by 2A. I also divide there by what? 2A. 2A will cancel 2A. What is left? S. So what is the formula for the distance covered? V squared minus U squared over 2A. And this will become, my V is what? 45. My U is what? 15. So that becomes 45 squared minus 15 squared divided by 2A. meaning 2 times A, which was what we got in question A. And what was the value? 3. So I'm going to place my 3 here. So this is what you're going to do for me. Those of you who are watching, find the square of 45. Type the answer in the comment section. Find the square of 15. Type the answer in the comment section. I'm coming to check it now so that we can go further. You know, I also have my tricks. I'm also known as the shortcut master. I'll be giving you some short videos that will be revealing so many things to you. Okay? If you are a subscriber of this channel, a lot awaits you. A lot. So let's see what our answers are for the 45 square and for the 25 square. 2025. Okay. And for the 15 square, 225. Thank you. So distance will become, according to what they did, 2025 minus 15 square was 225. All will be divided by 2 times 3, which is what? 6. So my distance will become, I want you to subtract the 2 of them and tell me what you got. Subtract the 2 of them and tell me what you got. 2025 minus 225. 2025 minus 225. I think that should give us 1,800 from what I'm seeing here. 1,800. How do I know these things? Time will reveal itself to you. I hardly use the calculator. 1,800 will now be divided by what? 6. And I know that 6 will divide 18 3 times. So my final answer becomes 300 meters. That is the distance covered. And that is it. That is it. I hope you have not wasted your data. I hope you were happy you joined this class. I hope you benefited from what we just did. If you did, take out the next section to start. We appreciate, sir, or appreciation. If you are online right now in this class and you have benefited a whole lot, type right now appreciation. I'll be going through the comments and the names of those typing appreciation. Thank you very much, Adeniran Adebayo. Thank you, Victory. Thank you, Grace Joseph. Thank you, Light Mba. Thank you, Test Account. Thank you. Victory from Cambridge. Thank you. We have about 36 people online. Those few persons are showing appreciation. And few persons are hitting the like button. Thank you. I really appreciate. Thank you so much for those of you who really knew what you benefited today. Osas, I didn't waste my data. I appreciate you, Safoton. It's Uwa. Oh, Uwa, thank you very much. Odiase Caleb, he has been with us from the onset. Thank you very much. Now, before we leave, I want to give you a teaser, more like an icing on the cake. Remember I told you to find the square of 45 and we got 2025. In case your calculator fails you, this is what you do. You write your 25, you place it in a bracket, 45. You put your square outside. What I'm about to show you is a shortcut without calculator to get your answer. Remember I said I'll be releasing different videos, short videos. But let me just give you this as a teaser. You draw one line, you pause. 5 square means 5 times 5. It gives you 25. 4 square means 4 times 4. It gives you 16. Then finally, multiply these two and multiply what is outside. 4 times 5 will give you 20. 20 times 2 will give you 40. You will write the 4 under 6 and you write the 0 under 2. Then you add them together. What do you have here? 5. What is 2 plus 0? 2. What is 6 plus 4? 10. Write 0, carry 1. Add that one to this one. You get 2. And that was how we got 2025. This is a teaser, especially for you. So those who appreciate, I appreciate you. Those who hit the like button, thank you very much. Kelvin, Orukpe David, Onyinyechi Joyce, thank you so much. These are the few I can see for now. Saint, thank you so much. I appreciate you all, and I thank you all for joining today's class. It is because of you I'm here, and it's because of me you are here. We are here together. We will celebrate your victory. Flourish, OKC, thank you so much. You didn't pay for this class. It's a free class. All you need to do is to subscribe. Please teach others these things you've learned today. You are a chief now. You need to let them know. Obi Report, thank you very much. Evelyn, thank you so much. Teach them what you've learned tonight and watch them start respecting you from today onwards. I'm happy you did not disappoint me. I love you more, Flourish. I love you all. I'm happy you came out. Even though we were not up to 50, the numbers that came out, I am more than happy. And I know you guys are going to do exploits. And for those of you who attended this class tonight, I prophesy into your life that your minimum JAM score will be a 350. And those of you who are writing WAEC, your minimum grades will be 7A. If you believe this, type an email. Yes, for those who are not from Nigeria, my friend Carlos from Brazil and Fisher from Canada, you add a 234 to this. So it becomes plus 234 70 33 44 7036. That's the code, the Nigerian code. So you remove the 0 and replace it with plus 234. Thank you for that reminder. Thank you for the reminder, Rukpe David, Mohammad Samad. I love you all. I love you all. I am so much appreciative for what you guys have done today. And may the good Lord continue to bless you. May the good Lord continue to increase your knowledge. May the good Lord continue to increase your strength. Thank you so much. It pains me when we need to end this live video. I hope you've gotten something tangible. I hope you've gotten something important. Subscribe. Turn your notification button so that you start getting other videos that will be coming out in series. At the end of the day, we shall conquer. Love you from Fulton. Thank you very much. Thank you, Victory Isaac. Yes, it works. It works. It works. Destiny Riches, thank you. Omorawe Kelvin, thank you. Thank you so much. You all have made me so happy. And I know that at the end of the day, we will all be alive to see you succeed. Okay? You can see what I had to do to improvise to make sure we have, what's it called? A stand, a tripod stand, okay? Who knows? You guys might just be the ones to contribute and get us a tripod stand. It's for you, not for me. It's for you. I know what you can do. I know what you can do. We can get this tripod stand while we manage this for now. The last time I tried ordering it was 20,000. That was what I saw. I can struggle to bring out 10,000. And you guys can also bring the remaining. Now, corporation, I make rice full pots. When we have a tripod stand, we can go on and on and on without my phone falling down. My power bank has been spoiled. My phone has been damaged in the process also. But the important thing is we learned something today. Thank you so much. This is a bye-bye from Photon. I need to fix my house. I need to eat. and I need to rest. I love you all. Bye bye.